Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make palm oil jollof rice or palm oil rice. If you've seen my previous videos, you know I'm a local champion and I like to do things the local way or traditional ways, so stay tuned. So I have my clean pot on the stove. I'm going to let the water dry completely to make sure there is no water left in the pot, and then I'm adding palm oil. If you're going to try this recipe, try adding palm oil based on the quantity of the rice you're preparing, and this is going to let to heat for just a few minutes. I'm not frying the oil and I'm not bleaching, just to heat it up a little bit. And then in goes the onions, and this is going to also simmer for about 2 minutes, and then diced tomatoes and fresh pepper. This is optional. You can actually add tomato puree if you want, or tin tomatoes, depending on your choice. You can even skip this completely if you want to go really traditional, but just to have some vitamins in your meal. This is going to also fry for just a few minutes as well. I also like this fresh one because it gets, by the time the food is ready, you get to see the tomatoes in the food and it makes your meal look nice. Then I've just added curry, thyme, this mixed spices. I've showed that in my previous video. I'll link that video in the description box below. Ground crayfish, you can add as much as you want, and then salt. Stir very well. I'm stirring to make sure that they are all incorporated into one another. And then in goes my local fish. This actually is smoked fish. I made a previous video with smoked fish as well, but this is a different kind of fish. This is panla. The previous video I made, a smoked fish jollof rice recipe, I made it using Titus fish. This is panla. They have different flavors they give your meal. You want to try various meals to taste and just be versatile. It's good. I already deboned the fish, by the way, and then I added some more water so that the parboiled rice will have where to boil in, so that it can completely cook. Can you imagine I forgot to add seasoning cube? So I've added 2 cubes of seasoning in this palm oil jollof rice, and the cooking continues. The water is boiling right now. You have to wait for the water to boil so that the rice doesn't get soggy. And then in goes the parboiled rice. Stir well. At this point you should taste for anything you need to add or adjust. In my case, I added more salt and pepper just to enhance the flavor because I had not added enough. It's always better to add little at a time just to be on the safe side. It's always better to have not sufficient ingredient than too much ingredient, because you always have room to adjust if it's not enough. And there you go. At this point there's still water in it, so I'm going to let it sit for another a couple more minutes, and then my palm oil rice is ready. This kind of palm oil is always nice to eat while it's hot, and then you will love it. You so love it. It has a different flavor. The palm oil gives it a very unique taste. You can't get that when you use vegetable oil, trust me. And there we are. Don't you love this palm oil rice? So inviting. So if you like this video, this palm oil jollof rice recipe, please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and drop your comments below. I would love to read from you. See you in another video. Bye.